Yon, kamusta mga boss? Welcome back po muli dito sa ating munting channel, ang Kanta Kwento. Alright, ito. Meron tayong re-reaction ng mga kwento at malamang napanood nyo na to. At kung napanood nyo na to, samahan nyo ako dito mga kwento. Palakpakan natin to. Siyempre, Sir Jerome Ibardome content. Ito is, ang title nito is... teka lang. Ang title ay Jerome Ibardome Vocal Showcase 10 Stage Performance. Hiniram natin tong video na to, nagawa ni Replica. No, so mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe kay Replica letter C yung CA yung dulo. Subscribe natin to mga kwento. Ang ganda ng mga content din ito about Sir Jerome Ibardome. So kung isa kang Jeromantics, support natin to si Replica. Alright? So yun, palakpakan natin si Replica at si Sir Jerome Ibardome. At bago nga natin i-start to, top 10 to, hingin ko muna ang inyong like, share, and subscribe mga kwento dito sa ating channel. At comment nyo na rin kung taga saan kayo para malaman natin kung hanggang saan nakakarating ang video nating ito. Alright, magda nga natin patagalin pa, let's start. At ako'y napaka-interesado kung ano ang kanyang top 10. Although tayo ay gumagawa rin ng mga ganito, so ang gandang malaman ko sa mga ibang content creator kung ano yung sa kanila. So let's go dito. Yan, let's go, let's play. Basahin muna natin. All performance, clips, and show credits belong to the clones. Itbulaga, the rightful producer of the original live segment. This video is created purely for fan appreciation, review, and educational commentary under fair use. So, ano tayo dito? Bibigyan natin to para maging fair use kagaya ng ginawa niya. So, yon. Galing yata sa Itbulaga lahat ng clip. So, let's play.
Review, and educational commentary under fair use.
Top 10.
Right, top 10.
The one for the money, two for the show. We get ready now. Go.
So, may top 10 siya. Kayo mag-decide kung tama ang kanyang order dito. Kung ito ba top 10. Blue suede shoes. Para sa top 10, okay ako dito.
Blue Suede Shoes is iconic song written and first recorded by Carl Perkins in 1955.
So, ito maganda kay Replica. Pinapaliwanag niya kung kailan na-release, ganyan. Ganyan din gusto ko sana eh. No? Kaso medyo tamad pa. So, hiram muna tayo ng video. So, let's go. Blue Suede Shoes para sa top 10.
Elvis Presley recorded his own version of Blue Suede Shoes, which was released as the opening track on his debut album in March 1956.
Grabe, 1956 pa pala tong kanta na to.
And today, the king of rhythm meets the voice of our new generation, Jerome with pure stage energy.
Top 9.
Yeah, top 9.
Well, it's hard to be a gambler betting on a number that changes every time.
Ganda nitong kanta nito. Naalala ko yung April 9 concert. Iba pag live niya kinakanta at nakikita mong gumagalaw sa stage pag isang Jerome Ibardome. Moody Blue.
Moody Blue was Elvis Presley's final studio album, released on July 19, 1977. Just before his death on August 16, 1977.
Grabe. Ito na pala yung parang isa sa mga lasong ni Elvis no bago siya madedo.
The album was a major commercial success, reaching number 1 on the country albums chart and becoming one of Presley's best-selling albums ever.
Ito palang album na to, including this song na Moody Blue, pinaka-best-selling niya.
In our modern days, Jerome Ibardome brings Elvis's classic Moody Blue back to life, blending nostalgia with his powerful, soulful voice that echoes through time.
Top 8.
8.
Kiss me
Quick. Yan. Para sa akin dapat tong Kiss Me Quick to sa mga mga top, pasok sa top 5 ko to eh. Basta number 1 ko kay Elvis. Mamaya, tingnan ko baka number 1 niya rin. Tingnan natin.
this feeling.
Elvis Presley's song Kiss Me Quick was recorded in 1961 for the album Pot Luck and released as a
Potluck.
single in some international markets in 1960
Hotluck o potluck?
for the album Pot Luck and released as a single in some international markets in 1963. The song was composed by Doc Pomus and Mort Schumann and was recorded in Nashville, Tennessee on June 25th,
So hindi pala si Elvis ang nag-compose nito. Kinanta niya lang.
1961.
Kiss me quick because
The song was released as a single in the United States in April 1964. The flip side was Suspicion, another track from Pot Luck.
Yung potluck.
let's keep on praying that we'll never stop.
Yeah,
In today's
number 7.
era, Jerome Everdome revives Elvis's Kiss Me Quick with a modern charm. Playful, romantic, and irresistibly smooth for a new generation.
Yeah,
Top 7.
7.
It's now or never.
Yeah.
Come hold me tight.
It's Now or Never was a major hit for Elvis Presley, recorded in 1960 after his time in the Army, and was adapted from the 19th century Italian song O Sole Mio.
Nag-army pala to si Elvis, no? 1960. Tapos na rin naman yung mga gera-gera niya, mga 1960, no? Papasok na yung mga democratic style of government.
The song hit with 20 million copies sold worldwide.
Wow.
It is one of the best-selling singles of all time. It's been number 1 record in the US for 5 weeks and stay 8 weeks on the top in UK in 1960.
So tender. My heart
In our modern days, Jerome Everdome delivers Elvis's It's Now or Never with timeless power, a perfect blend of passion, elegance,
So, it's now or never. Lagi ko to napapakinggan sa radyo to.
and emotion reborn.
waiting for the right time.
Number
Top 6.
6.
You know I
Yun.
can't be found sitting home all alone. If you can't
Ito number 1 ko sana. Pero okay lang yan kay Replica kung sa kanya number 6 lang yung Don't Be Cruel. Tsaka yung Kiss Me Quick is number 9 or 8. Para sa akin pasok to sa top 5 ko yung Don't Be Cruel. Pero top 6 pwede na rin para kay Replica, no?
come around, at least please.
Spent 11 weeks at number 1 on the Billboard charts and was inducted into the Grammy Hall of Fame in 2002. Don't Be Cruel was a landmark double-sided hit for Elvis Presley, released in July 1956 as a single
Grabe, 1956 pa pala yun.
with Hound Dog.
The future looks so bright ahead.
Hindi pala siya single, kumbaga include lang siya sa isa siya sa mga single ng Hound Dog, parang album doon, no?
Don't be cruel.
In our modern days, Jerome Everdome brings Elvis's Don't Be Cruel to life with his signature charm, classic rhythm, modern soul, and pure charisma.
Yeah, number 5
Number
ito na.
5.
Top 5 na ito. Tingnan natin.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog,
Hound Dog.
crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound.
Elvis Presley did not write Hound Dog, but his 1956 version became the most famous.
Biruin mo yun, no? 1956, nilabas niya yung Hound Dog, pumatok. Pero may mas nauna pa. Anong year kaya yun? Babanggitin kaya dito? Mga 40s kaya yun?
For those who are old enough to remember, Elvis Presley released Hound Dog in 1956, his biggest worldwide hit record. Few recall that Big Mama Thornton, pictured here, released the song first in 1953. People also
53 lang.
remember Chubby Checker introducing the twist dance craze with his
1953 yung original, 1956 yung binira ni Elvis at sobrang sumikat. Hound Dog.
1960 recording. Few know that Hank Ballard and the Midnighters first released the song in 1959.
Yun,
In our modern
nag-revive
days,
pa.
Jerome Everdome electrifies Elvis's Hound Dog with unstoppable energy, rocking the stage with a bold, modern twist.
Ang ganda ni Replica pag nagsasalita yung voice over, humihina at naiintindihan, no. Kay Sir Top Up medyo malakas yung
Top 4.
Yeah, top 4.
And you're always there to lend.
Feeling ko, huhulaan ko lang yung top 3. Always on my mind. Tama ba? Isa doon sa top 3. Ewan ko lang American Trilogy. Kaso puro Itbulaga, parang di pa kinanta ata ni Sir Jerome sa yung American Trilogy sa Itbulaga, no?
In 1970, Elvis Presley recorded one of the most heartfelt songs of his career, The Wonder of You.
Wonder of you.
Decades later, that same emotion lives on through Jerome Everdome when he's singing the Clone Eat Bulaga, the voice many now call the modern Elvis of our
Grabe, daming
generation.
ang daming nangyayari sa editing ni Replica. Ang galing.
With every note of The Wonder of You, Jerome brings back the warmth, sincerity, and soul of the king himself, but with a modern touch that speaks to today's hearts.
I guess I'll never know the reason why.
His rendition isn't just a tribute, it's a reminder that true talent and emotion never fade. They simply find a new voice in every era. And for this generation, that voice is Jerome Everdome.
That's the wonder,
Yeah.
the wonder of you.
Kapet.
Number
Number
3.
3. Ito na, top 3 na. Top 3, top 3. Ito. Ano kaya top 3 ni Replica? Tingnan natin. Let's go.
Love me
Yung Love Me Tender.
tender, love me sweet,
Pwede.
never let me go.
First recorded by Elvis Presley in 1956, Love Me Tender was inspired by a Civil War ballad called Aurelie, a song about gentle love and devotion.
Love you
Grabe, ang dami pa na ng magandang at sumikat ni Elvis talaga. Yung 50s, no? Ng era to 60, no?
love me.
Today, Jerome Everdome revives this timeless classic with pure emotion and a modern warmth that melts every heart, proving that true love songs never grow old.
Yeah, never grow old.
For my darling,
Number 2.
Number 2. Let's go. Ah,
say only
Always on my mind nga ata number 1 ni Replica. Ako ngayon ko lang pinili ito mga kwento, hindi ko pa siya na ano. So, okay. Para sa akin dapat, ito, top 3 ko to. Top 2 ko, Kiss Me Quick and Don't Be Cruel, number 3 ko. Number 1. Ito. Parang ito para sa akin yung pinakasikat na kanta ni
First
Elvis.
released in 1961 for Elvis Presley's film Blue Hawaii, Can't Help Falling in Love became one of the most iconic love songs ever written.
Iconic.
Its gentle lyrics and heartfelt message have touched generations around the world. Today, Jerome Everdome brings this timeless classic back to life on Clone Eat Bulaga, blending the soul of Elvis with his own modern charm.
if I can tell.
His
Yeah.
voice carries the same tenderness and sincerity that once filled concert halls, reminding us that true love songs, like legends, never fade.
Grabe, sobrang touch na touch dito ang TBJ sa kanya dito. Sa pagkakakanta niya ng mga ganito. Like, Song of Elvis.
Number 1.
Ito na, number 1. Let's go. Hula ko lang, Always on My Mind. Or,
Are you lonesome
Lonesome Tonight. Dito ata umiyak si Joey, no? Or napaluha. Or,
Do you miss me tonight?
Originally written in 1926, Are You Lonesome Tonight became a worldwide sensation.
grabe,
Written in 1926,
Grabe, 1926 pa pala ito nasulat tong kanta na to, mga kwento, mga Ka-Romantics. Tapos, tingnan natin kung
Are You Lonesome Tonight became a worldwide sensation when Elvis Presley recorded it in 1960.
Grabe, 26, 36, 46, 56, 34 years ago yung kanta na to, tapos sinulat niya at na hit ang kasikatan.
The song's heartfelt lyrics and spoken word bridge revealed a deeper, more vulnerable side of the king, one that connected deeply with lonely hearts everywhere. In our modern days, Jerome Everdome brings this emotional masterpiece back to life on Clone Eat Bulaga.
Yeah. Grabe. Maganda
With
mga
his soulful
choice.
tone and magnetic presence, he captures the same aching sincerity Elvis once shared, proving that true emotion transcends time, and every generation deserves to feel its magic anew.
Galing.
Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear,
You know?
are you lonesome tonight?
Each performance reminds us that true talent
So yun mga kwento. Ano masasabi nyo sa top 10 Elvis performance ni Sir Jerome Everdome na lahat sa Itbulaga pala nakuha to. So yun, pag-usapan natin ano ang inyong top 10, ano ang sariling top 10, at yan ay top 10 ni Replica. At alam ko, lahat kayo, tayo, ako rin, may ikanya-kanyang top 10. Pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section mga kwento. At maraming salamat kung umabot ka sa point na to. Magkita-kita tayo sa June 20 sa concert ni Sir Jerome sa Paddy's Point, San Pedro, Laguna, kasama si Stephen JC at ang kanyang Papa Jam. Alright? Maraming salamat mga kwento. Grabe, 16 minutes na pala. Maraming salamat at magkita-kita tayo muli sa ibang ating susunod na mga vlog. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Thank you. Kita-kita sa comment section. Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-comment kung taga saan kayo para malaman natin kung hanggang saan nakakaarating ang video natin ito. Muli, ito ang kanta kwento na nagsasabing mabuhay ang talentong Pilipino. Let's clap our hands and see you on the next vlog. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
King of the Day, Father and Son, a Legacy of Music. Mga ka-Jeromantics, kita-kits tayo sa darating na June 20, Paddy's Point, San Pedro, Laguna, near at Robinson Galleria. Ang ating magnetic icon, Elvis ng Pinas, Jerome Everdome, ay may gaganaping concert, 4 p.m. hanggang 7 p.m. Dito nga ay makakasama niya rin ang Freddie Mercury clone na si Stephen JC at iba pang surprise guest performer. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Jeromantics, grab your ticket now. Please contact on Facebook, Christina Ignacio or Det Ignacio, 0992-110-9614. See you there mga ka-Jeromantics. Alright, rock and roll!
You know I can't find.
Kanta kwento, sabay-sabay tayong makinig. Mga awit ang puso, tanghin ang kanila.